It's indeed a great pleasure to be amongst you on this auspicious occasion of certificate distribution for the first outgoing batch of IAM. I would like to first of all congratulate all the recipients of this certificate. I also would like to share certain things with you about how exactly the marriage happened between Bharathiar University and IAMI. And everything Bharathiar University is slightly bigger than IAMI. So we consider IAMI as a bride and Bharathiar University as bridegroom. And we are lucky to have a very nice, slim bodied, healthy, good looking bride to us. And the first delivery, 116 children has been delivered. And this is the occasion to share with you that Bharathiar University's we have been there for so many decades, and we have been awarding certificates for PG, UG, MPhil, PhD, certificate program, diploma, PG diploma, so many courses on various streams, including nanotechnology, management, commerce, and so on. But this is the first time in the history of Bharathiar University that we are awarding a certificate in the area of aquaculture science. So you will be the first people to have received in the history of Bharathiar University. I again congratulate you. And nothing comes so easily. The kind of effort that was put in by the management of IAMI under the able leadership of our doctor, it took a lot of time for us to consider their proposal because it has to go through so many approvals, and you know very well how difficult it is to get an approval from a government university. It is not an easy task, and that too it was a new venture for us also. So it was basically the effort, tireless effort put in by the management of IAMI that has resulted in today's celebration. I once again take privilege in congratulating the management and the leader of this team. And Bharathiar University, as you know, it is one of the top ranking universities in the country. Having started in 1982, being an offshoot of the University of Madras, earlier it was a PG center, then it was converted as a full-fledged university. Today I am very proud to say that we rank 29 in the country in terms of all types of universities, and second in the country in arts and science universities, and number 1 in Tamil Nadu. That is the reason that IAMI also was very choosy in selecting a university which is having these type of credentials. And in fact, if you look at the curriculum and the methodology in which this institute teaches or offers this program, is quite unique, which I didn't find in any other centers. Bharathiar University has got 736 centers in 21 countries, offering various programs under the distance mode. And we are very happy that an institute which offers this unique program, is situated in Coimbatore itself, and I am surprised that this should have happened long ago. But I don't know why doctor did not take this initiative to come and look at our university, and also the vice versa. In my very short interaction in the first time, as always people say, no, that looks are always deceptive. I looked at him and thought, what is this young boy going to do? Then after that, during the course of conversation, I understood he is not a young boy. He is quite an elderly doctor, but maintaining his health in such a way that he looks young. I think the difference in age between me and him must be quite substantial, but I look definitely older than him. And I am very happy to see that, because I happened to, when I visited the institution, I happened to see a few of his, he never calls them as patients. He always says they are part of my family. That's the one great thing I liked in him. The resultant of that attitude has made this hall full. I never expected this many people, to be very frank. I thought 116 certificates, some 45 students would have come, that's it. That is my expectation with which I came. And I am very pleased to see this type of an audience with so much of enthusiasm. And the credentials given by Bharata University is a certificate, but the intent and the interest in which this was created, the entire credit goes to IAMI only, and Bharata University also is equally proud to be associated with IAMI, and I wish all the recipients of this degree certificate, because it's globally valid. Your degree certificate is globally valid, and you can have this Bharata University's brand, a joint program of IAMI and Bharata University, which can be valid for you, whichever the part of the globe you are going to be. So I take privilege in again wishing all the best to all the participants and the parents who have come to receive this, and wish you all the best, doctor and team, for having organized this program. Thank you very much.